guys, welcome back to my channel. So there's this guy who comes to my grandma's house every now and then and cuts our hair, and he just cut my hair and he just cut mine a little bit, not too much. You can't really see it, but it's in layers. Anyways, I did a little bit of a photo shoot for my grandma. She can't walk around as much as before, so I had to do it sitting down on the couch, but I'll show you guys a little clip of how it turned out. And also my mom made tamales, so we're gonna have that here. We're gonna have that here for... He's tired. We're gonna have that here for dinner. So I'm gonna show you guys what the tamales look like, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's stop it. Let me hear your beautiful singing.
No. My beautiful singing is my beautiful singing.
But let the world see it, Theo.
No.
Come on.
Never.
Say hi. Ok, sonríe pues. A ver. Oh, mire. Le voy a...
Cara, Gina. Papá, ¿dónde la vas a llevar?
Ready?
Por lo menos sácala allá afuera para que den una vuelta.
Pero abren los ojos. 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Cheese, pues abro, pero los hemos cerrado.
Es cheese. Eso está.